it is now 3 o'clock p.m. right now in San Diego, Pacific time, or actually 1500 in military time. So anyways, the F-35 demo started at 2:40 or 1440 in military time. And yeah, so right now we're just waiting. Right now it's supposed to be the Red Bull Air Race. I don't know why, but when I read on the Miramar schedule, they called it the Red Bull Air Force. But anyways, oh, is that the... What is that? Is that a Red Bull helicopter that's flying, I guess? Oh, I guess it is. It's over the base. Here. Let me go ahead and try and get that for you guys. Oh my goodness, what's going on with my camera? Hold on, sorry, I do apologize about this, guys. Let me go ahead and then adjust my camera. All right, guys, so there's another pass from the Red Bull helicopter right there. We can't really hear it from here, but yeah, that's the Red Bull helicopter down there. Or yeah, you can somewhat hear it. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool seeing Red Bull helicopter in action. All right, so the Red Bull helicopter's down there. You can't really hear it because it's a helicopter and it's not as loud as like a F-35. So I don't know if we'll be able to hear it from here, but yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I can actually sort of hear it. Not really, though. All right, now there's an actual Red Bull plane that's about to take off. The Red Bull helicopter's coming around again, and then there's gonna be a Red Bull plane. Oh, there we go. There it is, right there. There's the Red Bull plane. Oh, I can hear the plane. I can hear the plane for sure, but I can't hear the helicopter. Oh, I wonder what they're gonna do next. Let's see. Oh, it's smoking. All right, the trails just came on. There it goes. Oh, there you go. There you go. There's the smoke trails. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's coming up. There it goes. Oh, the helicopter's even putting out a smoke trail, too. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, look at that, guys. We got the Red Bull helicopter. Oh, look at that, guys. This is awesome. That's an awesome... This is some awesome video to get, honestly. Oh, look at that. Red Bull helicopter and a Red Bull Extra 330, I think. I don't know. I'll have to look up the aircraft type after. I see it. It's right there. It's right there. I didn't even... How did I not even see that? Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my... Guys, I don't know how I did not even see that. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. Here it is. Going back up. Look at that. It takes training in order to do that. You have to go through a lot of, yeah, so I was thinking of like being one of those aerobatic pilots. That's what these types of planes are built for. They're built for like these maneuvers. Yeah, so that's so you don't like. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a. Oh, it's going back up. Oh, there it is, going back up. Now going back down, diving back down into the base. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This guy's like... Wow, look at that. Look at that loop he did. The trail. That is cool. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all the smoke particles. You could see. This guy's using so much like smoke trails for these aerobatics. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like the whole sky's covered with smoke trails above the base. Oh my goodness. Well, that's cool. Look at those crazy maneuvers. I wonder what the pilot's like flying through all of his own smoke trails. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, he's climbing up, and then now he's going back down. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. That's a crazy performance right there. Oh, and there he goes back up. It's just like for this whole show, he's going up and down while doing a loop at the same time. Like, that's pretty cool. I wish I would be able to do that. That'd be... If I had my own plane, that's what I'd be doing. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's going into a free fall. He's going into a free fall. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes again. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at those maneuvers. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right. It's climbing back up. Climbing back up. Here it is. I can't really see it because the plane's behind the trees. But once it gets up to the altitude above the trees, then it's going to be a great video. Plane's currently behind the trees right now, I think.
Hello, guys.
Where is the plane? I do not see it. I guess it landed already. I'm not sure. Let me see the time right now.